Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel SkillsFair. In this video, we are going to learn about text concatenation. Let's understand about the text concatenation first. How this work in Excel. If I talk about Excel, so text concatenation is combining two or more text together. So that we need to understand that how we can combine multiple text in a single cell. So how we can use this for our work. So if you want to customize levels and reports, so in that case, you can use this. And sometimes like if you want to formulating dynamic text string, so in that case, we can use text concatenation. So let's start. So there are different ways to concatenate the text. So first thing, like we will be going through step by step. First way would be using %. This is the symbol of AND. So in this, we will be using %to combine two text. So here we have the sample data. In this data, I have taken first name, last name. So we need to combine first name and last name as a full name. Okay. So let's start. First, to combine this, we will press equal, and then we will select first cell, and then we will put %, and there would be one delimiter. Delimiter, that means the separator that you want to use. So here I'll be using space, and then again %, and the second cell, and press enter. So this will show that both the cell has been combined, and we have result of Rajesh Kumar. So for filling the rest of the cell, what we need to do, we need to just select, and if we go in the corner of the cell, so you're getting this plus sign. So what you need to do, you just need to click here and drag it down, and it will fill automatically. So this is the first way to concatenating the text. Now we will be going the second way, and this is the formula basically. So we will use the concat formula to combine two text. So here in the second way, just we need to write the formula like equal to concat. Once you will see concat is highlighted with the blue color, then you need to click tab so that it will be automatically filled. So now we need to select the text 1. So text 1 we have Rajesh, then comma, and it is asking for text 2. So before putting text 2, we need to put the delimiter. Delimiter, that means we can put dash, space. So here I'll be using space once again. Now again comma, and then we will put text 2, and then bracket, press enter. So now this combines both the words Rajesh Kumar. So again we will be doing the same thing. We can just click on the cell, go into the corner, and drag it till here. So it will fill automatically. Now come to the third way. So in the third way, we will be using text join function. Let's see how this works. So we will be putting equals to text join. We'll press tab, and then here it is asking for delimiter. So what we have to put, because in the name, first name and last name, we put space in between the names. So here it will be name. Second option, it is asking put true if you want to ignore empty cells, put false if you include empty cells. So I'll be putting here 1 because I want to ignore the empty cells, and then text 1 comma text 2, and close the bracket and hit enter. So now again we'll be doing the same thing. Select the cell and drag it till here. So this is the 3 ways of doing text concatenation. So as I mentioned that I'll be providing you one bonus way. That is the very simple way to combine 2 or 3 text. Okay, the bonus way that will not be feasible to use for the long context. Okay, so in that, let's see how it works. So we'll be just writing Rajesh space Kumar, and then we will press Ctrl E. So it will fill all the details. Okay, so that's fine. So this is the bonus way. Okay. And as I have mentioned that whenever we are creating any kind of customized level or report, okay. So in that case, how we can use the formula. So just let's see in this step. Okay. So here we have a table that contains few details like product ID, product name, order date, and product description. So suppose if we are publishing any kind of report, okay, detailed report of the products, that what product ID is, what kind of product it is, and what was the order date, and what is the description of the product. So here the best formula that will be like we can use our text join. So let's do it. Just click is equal to text join. First we need to put the delimiter. So here, like if we're generating any kind of report, so in that case we can use some other delimiter. So here I'm using a double pair sign, and then it is asking we need to ignore the empty cells or not. So I'll be ignoring that. And then text. So here we can select individual cells, or we can give a range of that. So here I'll be providing the range. So this is the range of the text, and then we'll close the bracket and hit enter. So now it has created a report, kind of complete details in a single cell. Like this is the product ID. Sorry. This is the product ID. This is the product name. This is the order date. Okay, so we have to just keep the format here. So it is coming into the number because it is in the text cell. And then this is the product description. So the similar way, we need to just double click here or like drag this. So we can drag this till here. So it fills all the details automatically. So I hope this video is informative for you. So you will be able to use text concatenation in the different ways. Okay, so what I will be suggesting, so if you are working with the huge data, so you can use the formula part. And if you are working with the small data, so you can use the bonus one. So it can help you immediately concatenate the data. Okay. So if you like this video, so you can subscribe my channel and you can hit the bell icon. So whatever video I'm going to upload, you will be getting the notification. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.